Hi guys, this video for those people who have hair problem. If you want to regrowth your hair or stop your hair falling, so use this product. It is really working. It is good product. Finasteride DHT blocker, 1 milligram. It is original one. This one I will open this one, and also this is Biotin 10,000. So it is really working here, skin and nails health. And before you want to take this tablet, also you buy this one Derma roller. So use Derma roller on your head. Okay, this is Derma roller 1.5, and buy this one Derma roller. You can find everywhere. Also you can order online Derma roller. Okay, so use this one on your head. Okay, this side and this side. Okay, and after use you must this one, because it is for bacteria. So keep this one here. If you use, then open this one. It is alcohol 70%. Okay, so keep this one just for a few minutes. Okay, and roll. Okay, or also you can keep here also. Okay, here, so you can easily roll. Okay, so it will be safe, your skin will save. Okay, and then keep and cover. This one tablet, it is white tablet. It have some fake also, but this one is original one. Okay, it is sell here also. Okay, I will take this white one, white tablet, capsule. It is not tablet, it is capsule. Okay, inside is also white. Okay, and now I will open Finasteride. It is not like steroid, you know. One is steroid people use for muscle growth, like for some people use for bodybuilding. It is different. Steroid can fall your hair. It is not good for hair, but it is good for hair. So Finasteride and steroid, it is different. It is not same. Look, a small capsule. This is Finasteride. So here is some cell. Okay, original one.